Come on, turn this up, bring this in your club till these skanks wild up, you motherfuckers. Feel electric shock as we make next knock. No more tape deck stock, yeah, I'm just gonna love us. Come on, turn this up, bring this in your club till these skanks wild up, you motherfuckers. Feel electric shock as we make next knock. No more tape deck stock, yeah, I'm just gonna love us.
What's up, this is True with Double Vision Records. Just out promoting our new album, Double Vision Records, Never Seek, Never Find. We got True, Elegant Speech, Sandy Moniz, and Undefined. Just finished it up. This is Double Vision Records' third album. We're doing a promotion right now where the first 200 people to purchase the whole album gets an opportunity to be in a drawing for a brand new PS4. So here's how it works. You have to buy the whole album. It has to be the whole album, not just a song. It could be from iTunes. You can get physical CDs from, we have about 60 left. I've already sold about 40. So we got like 60 physical CDs. You can get a hold of me, Katie, Sandy, or Chaz up in Tahoe. And yeah, so you can go to iTunes, CD Baby. We're going to have a link on our Facebook page. You can just click it and buy it right then. Just show us proof of purchase. So for iTunes it'll say play instead of buy. You can get receipts, any kind of proof that showing that you bought the whole album. And then you're going to send it to true@doublevisionrecords.com, and then you're in the drawing. Also, it can only be if there's 200 people. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbors, tell people that don't know us. It's also a good way to get our name out there, and we'd like to give back, you know. We want you fans to enjoy listening to us, but also we put a little something in it for you too. So yeah, it should be fun. Get the album, it drops this Saturday, April 18th. And yeah, let's do this.